Ready to uncover Vietnam's hidden past? Let's dive in. Vietnam is famous for its breathtaking scenery and delicious cuisine, but did you know it's also home to an incredible hidden history? Take the Cu Chi tunnels, for instance. This vast network of underground passages was used by Viet Cong soldiers during the Vietnam War. Imagine navigating through these narrow tunnels, a hidden world beneath the earth. And let's not forget the ancient city of Hoi An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Once a bustling trading port, it's brimming with stories of merchants from Japan, China, and Europe. Strolling through its lantern-lit streets feels like stepping back in time. Then there's the My Son Sanctuary, a cluster of abandoned Hindu temples. These ruins tell tales of the Champa Kingdom, which thrived from the 4th to the 13th century. It's like a real-life Indiana Jones adventure. So next time you think of Vietnam, remember, it's not just a tropical paradise, it's a treasure trove of hidden history waiting to be discovered.